Hey Scoobs, I'm home. I just got some new shampoos at the store. I wanted to see if you'd like them. Alright, set these down here. How about this one, Scoobs? Oh, okay. I guess you don't like that one. How about this one, Scoobs? Oh, I guess you don't like that one. Okay. How about this one, Scoobs? Alright. You really don't like that one. Okay, I understand. Alex, I just came in with a new shampoo at the store, and I know you'd want it. Oh, cat. Okay. Cat Fluff. Oh, it's got Morgan Freeman on it. Looks like the right stuff. Oh, RadCat Inc. Oh, well. How do you like this? Scoobs. Oh, Scoobs. You love it. Yeah, I can't wait to try this cat fluff out. I mean, it has Morgan Freeman on the cover. Who wouldn't love that? Oh, Scoobs. Well, you love the smell of my hair, the smell of everything. Oh, thanks, Cat Fluff.
My name is Dr. Stephenson. I've tested this product and it's approved by the FDA. It uses special chemicals that are working with male and female cat pheromones. It's very good. It's FDA approved. And just kidding.
Side effects may include brain tumors, temporary blindness, limb spasms, bronchitis, uncontrolled vomiting, baldness, spinal fractures, toe fungus, testicular cancer, breast cancer, loss of toenails, and death. Cat Fluff, the right stuff.